And here we have Rose. She's pretending to be asleep by snoring. You can see her eyes are open. She's even looking at me when I say her name, Rose. Yeah, she continues to pretend to snore. What are you doing?
Yes, I am.
I can see that you're awake.
Lie about it anymore because there's one thing I don't trust.
She's like, but if I pretend to snore, I can stay on the sofa.
Gosh, when I'm nervous. Go on.
I can see those eyes are awake. You're so funny. What are you doing?